Hello and welcome to another fabulous How to Get It video tutorial. So today's how-to comes from the lovely Jenny, who asked how to set up a domain with masking for her flyer, which is a very simple and easy to do must-have for any promotional material that you are putting out there. Firstly, so that instead of lengthy, hard to read, even harder to type URLs that mean just nothing to no one, you can create simple, easy to remember URLs which you can then pop into your flyers, postcards, business cards, digital banners, and, well, pretty much anywhere really. So, how do we do this? First up, you're going to need to purchase a new, easy to remember domain from your domain supplier. Now, I use GoDaddy, as you can see in this window, and I have done for years. And you'll get to see how many domains I have in a moment, so I'll never move from them. But you can use whoever. You want to buy something that is short and simple to remember and says what your offer is. So for this example, I'm going to show you what I did when I created the ROI flyer. Now luckily roiflyer.co.uk was available, so that's what I purchased for this promotion. I've logged into my GoDaddy account already, and I'm going to head up to Products, Domains, and then click on this Manage Now button. So as you can see, this takes me into a big list of my domains. I'm looking for my recently purchased roiflyer.co.uk, which is right down here near the bottom of the screen. So I need to click on that, and I'm going to head into the domain details page. From here, I can manage the forwarding of the domain. Now, as you can see, I've already set this up to forward to the long URL which is on my main website. Now, what this means is that when people type into the new domain name, the www.roiflyer.co.uk, they're going to head to this long URL on my website. But the URL that they see in their browser window is going to remain the same. So, for example, the URL where the content for this page sits is the long one on my website. And if I click on here, you can see that this is the long URL domain that I've set up for this video tutorial page on my getitbydesign.co.uk website. But when people type in roiflyer.co.uk, which is this domain here, they go to this page where the URL is masked and it stays as roiflyer.co.uk. So the content of the page is the same, but you're only ever going to see www.roiflyer.co.uk rather than this long domain that appears on my website. You want to do this to build trust so that the person typing in the domain name is going to that domain rather than being directed off to some unknown long URL of a website domain that they've never heard of. So how do we set it to forward with masking? So we click back over to here and we're in the domains details page again for GoDaddy, and all you need to do is click on the Manage button, which is under the forwarding option in your domain manager. Once you're in here, there's going to open up, for my example, it opens up a pop-up window. But simply click on the Edit button, or it could be Update Forwarding, or sometimes it's a little pen icon over in the corner, and that really will depend on the registrar system that you're using. And all you need to do when you're in here is copy and paste the long URL from the location of the page that you want people to visit, and we're just popping that into this forward to area. So once you've done that, then you need to click on the forwarding selection, and rather than forward only, which will keep the long URL in the website, you want to forward with masking. So you select that and then type in a title and choose a description for your page, and then add any keywords if you want to, and then tick this little box here and hit save. Now obviously save isn't on here at the moment because I'm in the editing moment because I've already set this up for mine. So I'm just going to cancel out of it because that's it. You're all set up to forward with masking. Now it may take a few minutes or hours to update this information. Again, this will depend on your domain host, but that's all you need to do to get your new domain pointing to an existing long URL. Any questions? Pop a message below this video. I'm going to be posting this in the Facebook group, but it will also be available on the website. And I will speak to you again soon. Bye.